So what is hiragana and katakana and how to learn them? In Japan, they use 4 alphabets: hiragana, katakana, Chinese characters, that's kanjis, and Roman letters, that's romaji. I put a character next to each alphabet. You can see that hiragana and katakana characters are more simple compared to kanji. On the station nameplates, usually you can see 3 out of the 4, kanji, hiragana, and Roman letters. So what is hiragana? Hiragana is the Japanese ABC, made of 46 characters. As you can see, one hiragana represents 1 or 2 sounds. It was called women's writing, as in old times ladies were not allowed to learn kanjis, so they used hiraganas instead. Hiraganas were developed from Chinese characters. For example, the hiragana A is the simplified version of this character. Look, they are similar. Hiragana are cursive style letters, easy to handwrite. Let's see the hiragana O, for example. It's nice cursive and rounded, isn't it? I suggest you to get a hiragana practice sheet where you can practice handwriting hiragana many times until your hand will remember. I learned hiragana with Genki 1 workbook, but you can also find some free samples on Google too. So let's say you practice 10 hiraganas each day, then you will master them in 5 days. I think hiraganas are not so difficult to remember. However, katakanas will be, so just prepare yourself. So let's talk about the second Japanese alphabet, katakana. Katakana represents the exact same syllables as hiragana. They sound the same, just they look different. Katakana characters are more boxy. See how boxy they are? This is katakana ko. So katakana is used to write words with foreign origin like hotel or television. They say hoteru or terebi. Your name will also be written with katakana. In my case, it's Dora. Of course, if you are from a Chinese-speaking country, you will write your name with kanjis. Katakana was developed by Buddhist monks. That's why they sometimes call it masculine letters or male letters. Just like hiragana, they were simplified from Chinese characters. Although hiragana simplifies a whole Chinese character, for katakana, the lazy monks just picked up a part of the character and that's it. For example, from this character, they picked up the left side and created a katakana. And of course, you don't need to remember any kanji yet, just forget about them. But you need to remember katakana. So basically, you should remember katakana just like hiragana using a practice sheet. Here is my advice for you. Don't learn hiragana and katakana at the same time. Finish one alphabet first before you start the new one. And why? Because some characters are quite similar, so it's easy to mix them up. Let's see the character of ri. This is hiragana ri. This is katakana ri. Don't learn them at the same time. Okay, so if you want to learn Japanese, you need to remember both hiragana and katakana. But which one to start with? Well, definitely hiragana. Hiragana is the most basic Japanese alphabet. Even children will learn this one first. In children books, they will even put a hiragana reading to katakana words or kanjis. So that's it for today. Remember to subscribe so you won't miss any Japanese lesson. See you next time. Bye!